5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 5 right, 4 left, 80. Small crest into 5 left, 60. 4 right, opens 2 right, 40. 4 right, slippy, 80. Long tight, 3 right, into 2 left over bump, 100. Small crest, 60. Care 2 right over bump, 40. Caution, 1 left over bad bumps, 100, very bumpy. Crest, caution, 100 over bad bumps into 4 left. Opens long, 2 left over crest, 60. 3 left, and very long, 3 right, nips a tree. And 1 left at bumps, tightens 2 left. And 2 right, tight 3 left, into tight 3 left again. And short 4 right, don't bridge, 3 left, 100. 4 right, don't, 3 left, 100. 2 right, slippy, 230 up mid. Slippy braking into turn square left. Right on flat crest, 60. Flat 3 left, opens very long, 2 left, 100. Long 2 right, in over crest, 300. 2 left over crest, 200. Chicane left entry, 4 parts, into turn 5 left. Repeat into turn 5 left, 150. Square right at gate, slippy. And very long, 3 left, slippy. Into 2 right, 3 left, very long, 4 right. And caution, late tight 3 left. And short 3 right, slippy, 80 up mid. Turn square left into flat crest, 100. Flat crest, 200. Caution 4 left, repeat caution 4 left into 1 right. And late 3 right up, and crest bump and 4 right. Repeat crest bump and 4 right, and 5 left. Into flat crest and 1 right over crest, 80. Caution long 3 right in over crest into turn square right, 80. Flat crest, 300. Chicane right entry, 4 parts. Repeat right entry, 4 parts, 100. Slow crest, only 60, turn square left, don't over gravel, 800 over bad bumps and jumps. Crest, jump and chicane, right entry, 4 parts. Repeat crest, into chicane, right entry, 4 parts. $130 over bumps. Four right in over bumps, 150. And flat crest, and 2 left, 150. 1 left, only 80, turn hairpin right, narrows. Repeat, turn hairpin right, narrows. And 2 left, 130. left, 40. Care, crest, fast 3 right, 40. And 3 right again, and long 2 left, 200 up. Crest and chicane, right entry, 4 parts. Repeat, right entry, 4 parts. 330 over bumps. Square right at sign, into crest, 300 over bumps. Care, crest, short 4 left, 130 over bumps. Repeat, crest, short 4 left, 130 over bumps. Crest, jump, long, fast 3 right over gravel, 250 over crest. Repeat, long, fast 3 right, 250 over crest. 4 left and 5 right into 5 left. Repeat, 4 left and 5 right into 5 left. And short 4 right, 80 up. Crest, 60. 4 right, 40. Turn square left, don't. Flat to the finish. Keep going.